Is it just me, or does it seem like gas is burning a lot faster than it normally does? I go to the same three places every day. To work, to home, and to the gym. And this week alone, I have used more than twice as much gas as I normally use. Something's up with the gas. Y'all ain't slick.
I've been hearing about it for the past week and a half or so, about gas being watered down and burning faster. I just haven't personally experienced it or noticed it with my car until this morning, okay? About maybe 20 minutes ago. First of all, I got my settings set to distance to empty so I can see exactly how many miles I have until my car is on empty, right? So I drove maybe 2.5 miles at the most, but yet my car told me that I burned, is it 7 miles worth of gas in 2.5 miles, right? So I'm here to confirm it. Gas is being cut, okay?
Is it just me, or is gas burning fast as hell right now? Now, mind you, I am currently in a rental, but every time I get gas, I feel like I'm burning through it. And now, I do Uber, but I never burned through gas this fast before. And I've been doing Uber for the last 3 years now, okay? So I need to know if it's just me at this point. Because what the hell is really going on? Now, mind you, we all knew that the prices of gas was going to start skyrocketing with all the other extra crap been going on. I won't get into that. But right now, gas here where I'm at is like $3.70 something. And as soon as I fill up, I'm not even getting through, like, I don't know, a day and a half without having to fill up all over again.
If a full-time Uber driver who's tracked their mileage for 3 years suddenly notices a huge change, what's the explanation? Bad batch? Seasonal blend? Or something else?
Okay, so after filling up 2 days ago, I am completely on board with the theory that the gas is being burnt way quicker. I'm already at a half a tank. It was a normal fill up. I drive normally around town, 7-10 miles around. I don't go out. I don't take like long trips. And I'm already at almost half a tank. It's only been 2 days. There is no way that gas normally burns this fast. Putting my tinfoil hat on because something's up.
Could be temperature, could be driving conditions, could be the car. But half a tank in 2 days on short trips is hard to explain away with normal variables.
People is starting to notice that this gas is burning faster than normal. Ever since the gas prices went up, and now that we are in WA, you know what, R, the gas is going up, but it's burning so fast. And I kept seeing video. Well, what's crazy is, I told my mama last week, I say, I'm filling my tank up, but it's only lasting me for like 3 days. And I ain't doing nothing crazy. I'm doing my same routine. It's only lasted me for like 3, maybe 4 days, when normally I fill my tank up and lasts me for a week. And I asked my mama, I said, well, have you noticed a change in your gas? She said, yes. And my mama don't even go nowhere. Child, that woman be home. She go get her little groceries or whatnot. Mama don't be going nowhere, y'all. And she said, yeah, because I thought I mispumped. I thought, I didn't pump the full amount. Pay attention.
If someone who barely drives and someone who drives daily both notice the same thing at the same time, what's the common factor? It's not the cars. It's not the routes. It's the fuel.
What is wrong with my car? This last week or so, suddenly, my gas is dropping so fast. My car normally gets 31 miles a gallon, and it has the thing that tells you how many miles to empty. And I watch that like a hawk all the time, have since I've gotten the car. Well, suddenly it's dropping 2 to 3 miles per mile that I drive, and I'm driving gently. I'm trying to make sure that I'm not blowing through this gas. It's expensive, but is something wrong with my car? What is like the most likely answer for that? I cannot really afford to take it somewhere. How screwed am I? How long till my car just gives out?
Could be a sensor issue. Could be a fuel system problem. But suddenly, this last week, With no warning signs, usually car problems build up. Instant changes point to something external.
18 gallons for $101, and I'm at half a tank. And is it just me, or the gas and diesel is burning 10 times quicker than what it used to before the gas prices got this high? I even saw a TikTok of somebody saying it, and it got like over 1 million likes, so I'm not the only person. Like, the gas on my Exmark and the gas in my equipment is burning 10 times quicker than what it used to. Bro, you cannot tell me that these people are not watering down the gas and diesel, bro. We're literally getting scammed in front of our eyes.
Getting scammed in front of our eyes. That's the feeling. Higher prices and lower quality. Paying more for less. When both happen together, trust disappears fast.
Just because gas is more expensive doesn't mean it doesn't last as long. I'm a fuel hauler. I should know. I load fuel, I haul fuel, and I deliver fuel to the gas stations. Honestly, in my opinion, what I think is that it's still cold outside. They have winter grade and they have summer grade. Our weather has been astronomically unpredictable. So one day it might be 70 degrees. The next day it might be 30 degrees. What I think is that we're still having winter grade blend in the fuel stations. You guys aren't buying as much fuel. So that means when it's 70 degree days, you guys are going and filling up. And all of a sudden it's 70 degrees and guess what? You have winter grade fuel in your car. It's gonna burn faster.
An industry insider saying it's gonna burn faster changes the conversation. It's not paranoia. It's seasonal blends, unpredictable weather, and a system that doesn't explain itself to the people paying at the pump.
Anybody else noticing that your gas is burning faster in your car? I filled up the other day to go pick up my daughter. It normally doesn't take me that much. And I noticed that it was way lower than it would have normally been. So I guess we're pumping up the prices, diluting the quality. That's the new American way.
If prices go up while quality goes down, consumers pay twice, once at the pump, again in the mileage. More money for less performance. That's the squeeze people are feeling.